everyone, Melissa here. Today I'm doing a fun nail ombre or glitter ombre from the tips. I'm excited for this one. Zooty Chemical X is really cool. If anybody has not seen it before, it's a matte black and white glitter. And I think it's gonna look really cool over what I'm wearing right now, which is Silver Lining by Double Dip. So I have it I've already activated and filed and buffed these nails so that they're nice and smooth. And I'm gonna go from there. What I have to do this, it's a e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. I will put a link to that in the comments so you guys can find it. I like this one a lot because the bristles are pretty short and it lets you get a lot of control over where the glitter is gonna go. So to start this off, what I'm going to do is do a layer of base on all nails and let it dry. I do this because the activator and the lower layers of dip are gonna cause this base to dry very quickly, the first layer, and I want my base to not dry as quickly so that I can ombre on it. Okay, and see that's already dry on not all the nails, but it's starting to dry. So we're gonna get started. I'm just gonna open my Chemical X so I can work with it. And I'm going to start, just go ahead and start the pinky. And I'm going to paint on a layer of base all the way to the tip. Grab my brush. I like to kind of stick it down so that there's some glitter on top. And then I'm going to, it's really hard to turn my nail the way I need it to. Just tapping very gently. I don't want to start just dumping glitter on my nails, so just a very light tap, tap, tap to get some coverage where I want it. And then I'm going to tilt the nail down and just give a heavier coverage towards the tip. There. Get a little bit too much. If you don't like it, you think there's too much, you can always come in with a little orange stick or something and move some of these dots around before the base dries. Remove some, spread them out. All right, I wasn't sure if I wanted to go that far down, but I like it. So we're gonna go with that for all of them. Again, tapping it more on the tip. You can also just take your nail and just dip the tip in so that it has a higher concentration of glitter on it. That's perfect. Okay. I'm just going to keep going with all the nails. And then we'll activate. Okay, then we're gonna do our top coat. Okay, now if I can just get this camera to focus on my nails here. It's not wanting to focus very well, but that's it. There's my finished product with the top coat and everything. Now, because I did reach 1,000 subscribers and I am just absolutely over the moon. Like, I honestly, I never imagined that I would hit 1,000 subscribers, let alone so quickly. So I appreciate every single one of you so much. And I had a good amount of people that entered my giveaway, but I went ahead and selected my winner right before this. So Evelina Stoyanova, you are going to win my prize pack for my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. You can either contact me, or if you don't see this, I will be messaging you to get your address so I can get that shipped out right away. Anyway, thank you all for tuning in today. I will post my finished set on my Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.